found your spot to study, gathered your supplies, and prayed, it's time to explore the text. With Deep, you're going to read one book of the Bible at a time, spending 1 week on each chapter until you complete the book. Ideally, you should read the chapter 5 times, but you can choose how to structure your reading. The key is to read the chapter more than once because each reading opens up new opportunities to see different aspects of the text you might have missed before. You can connect words, paragraphs, chapters, and even books across the Bible in a beautiful display of God's wisdom and divine purpose. So, while reading, be sure you explore the details of the passage. Take your time. Notice the context, the repeated words and phrases, and the significance of the people, places, and events you encounter. Look for any patterns and any themes that emerge. Don't be afraid to mark up your Bible as you read the text. Write down your observations and any questions you have about your reading and take notes, lots of them. As you explore the text, we offer 2 maps to guide you, a book map and a chapter map. The book map is designed to help you gather information before reading the book and then summarize the book after you finished reading. And the chapter map is designed to guide you through the chapter as you explore the text. Be sure you check out our other videos which walk you through the book map and the chapter map.